What's up mga quiz, mga atis? Welcome back sa aking channel. This is Quiz Alan at ngayong araw papanoorin natin yung cover version ni Gabriel Henrique, and he did a cover of the song I Don't Wanna Miss a Thing by Aerosmith. So ito yung isa sa mga favorite song ko during the late 90s because of the movie Con Air. So ang ganda. Ito yung mga few alternative songs na talagang na-in-love ako ng gusto because on how beautiful the song. So tingnan natin yung version ni Gabriel Henrique dito, kung nabigyan niya pa niya ng justice or nabigyan niya bagong version yung song. So with no further ado, let's watch the video and later I'll be giving my reaction and opinion on the said cover song. So let's go!
I could stay awake just to hear you breathing, watch you smile while you were sleeping, while you're far away and dreaming. I could spend my life in this sweet surrender. I could stay lost in this moment forever. Every moment spent with you is a moment I treasure. Don't wanna close my eyes, I don't wanna fall asleep, 'cause I miss you, baby, and I don't wanna miss pain. 'Cause even when I dream of you, the sweetest dream you never do, I still miss you, baby, and I don't wanna miss pain. Oh, lying close to you, feeling your heart beating, and I wondered what you're dreaming, what that if it's me you're seeing. Then I kiss your eyes and thank God we're together, and I just wanna stay with you in this moment forever. Don't wanna close my eyes, don't wanna fall asleep, 'cause I miss you, baby, and I don't wanna miss it. 'Cause even when I dream of you, the sweetest dream you never do, I still miss you, baby, and I don't wanna miss it. And I don't wanna miss you one smile, I don't wanna miss one kiss, I just wanna be with you, right here with you, just like this. I just wanna hold you close, I feel your heart so close to mine. I just stay here in this moment for your the rest of time. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I don't wanna fall asleep, 'cause I miss you, baby, and I don't wanna miss her. 'Cause I miss you, baby, and I don't wanna miss pain. Don't wanna close my eyes, don't wanna fall asleep, 'cause I miss you, babe, and I don't want this pain. 'Cause even when I dream, no good, the sweet dreams but I never do. Oh, and I don't want this pain. Trying to close my eyes, trying to fall asleep 'cause I miss you, babe, and I don't want this pain. 'Cause even in the dreams of you, the sweet dream I never do. Oh, and I don't want this pain. And I don't want this pain.
Okay, there you go. Napanood natin yung performance ni Gabriel Henrique, a Brazilian singer and also a finalist of America's Got Talent 2023. And wow. Ang ganda yung performance niya ng song na I Don't Wanna Miss a Thing. Okay, yun isang napansin ko lang problema niya. Medyo nag-struggle siya sa yung pag-pronounce niya ng mga words, English words, that affects a bit yung performance niya. Diba? So, it's very obvious naman yun na medyo struggle siya. Pero, yung mga parting birit-birit niya, ang linis. And, tulad ng mga naging cover version niya ng mga ibang songs, ang linis ng mga birit-birit niya. And, ang taas ng range niya. And, sa akin, kahit nagkaroon siya struggle do sa words niya with the songs, okay pa rin naman yung performance niya. Hindi siya totally yung masasabi mong pangit pakinggan or not flat or whatsoever. Ang ganda pa rin yung performance niya dito, and I love it. And nag-expect lang ako ng konti na sana binago yung arrangement, pero still, sinundan pa rin yung original na version ng song. Meron lang siyang part na medyo kinulot-kulot niya. Into the third part. But nonetheless, I enjoyed the performance of Gabriel Henrique of the song. Because, like I said earlier, this is one of my favorite alternative songs nung late 90s. Because I was college that time. So, ito yung mga nabutan kong song, and I really like this song. Actually, ito yung first time I heard a male singer who sang this song, because normally the song of Aerosmith, this particular song of Aerosmith, mostly female singers who does the cover song of this song because of yung matataas na mga range ng boses. And I don't know kung mayroon na akong ibang, I don't know, Jet Madela did this one, I don't remember, pero this is my first talagang male singer kumanta nito. Well, aside from the original singer na from sa Aerosmith, pero this one, yung isa cover, I could say this is my first time to hear a male singer who did this cover song. Kasi mostly, like I said, mostly female who does the cover song of this song. So, and with Gabriel Henrique, despite of the struggle in the pronunciation of words, I can say he did very well, and he managed to perform it very well. And yung birik niya nagdala, yung matataas na range, matataas na notes na naabot niya, yun ang dadala sa kanya, para yung parang napaliwala yung yung struggle niya sa pag-pronounce, diba? Ang galing. So sobrang galing ni Gabriel, and I like this performance so far, diba? So kasi from my other reaction video of his performance, mostly he sang or he covered female songs. So this is, I think this is the first or second time that I heard Gabriel Henrique did a cover song of a male singer. So yun, so there you go. So if kung nagustuhan niyo yung kung nagustuhan niyo yung naging performance ni Gabriel Henrique sa kantang I Don't Wanna Miss Nothing, mag-comment kayo dito sa baba. At kung nagustuhan niyo namin binigay kong opinion ko and reaction ko, mag-comment kayo dito sa baba and I will read all your comments and I will try to react or mag-reply back sa mga comments nyo. Before I end this video, please don't forget these 4 things while watching my videos on my channel. Comment, like, share, and subscribe to my channels. Ang Pinay Talaga channel, The Alaski Show, Proudly Bromley Vlogs, and The Madlang People Presents. Maraming salamat. Have a nice day and bye-bye.